How to make the old Mitsubishi Outlander more advanced? First of all, prepare the warp tool. Use tools to remove the air outlet. Take off the other side. Then, remove the screws on both sides. After removing the screws, remove the face frame. Remove the 5 more screws from the host. Let's remove the dual flash switch of the original car. It is installed on our new panel here. There is no need to install the screws here. Just install this small screw. The keys of the modified product are very sensitive. Let's take a look at the completion effect. It looks very advanced. Look at the reversing effect. Support map navigation. Make travel more convenient. This is its music function. It has super versatile